Alright guys, we're back with the second part of the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect a control valve and reservoir to your drip bucket and connect them. As you can see, made a diagram here, and that is what I'm going to show you to put together. So I've already gotten started a little bit. All of your holes will be drilled. I use a 3/4 inch paddle bit, and there will be 1/2 inch grommets that go into those buckets. You will then, this is your float valve here, side of that, here's your float valve. Now it takes the same size. I would go probably with like a 7/8 for that hole, just to make sure that the threading there fits in all the way. So how this works, guys, is you will have your water in here, clear the float valve. As it runs out, it will fill back up from the reservoir, which is actually on top of it, and that will be feeding gravity fed. And then of course we've got our 1/2 inch tubing, and then I'm going to have an air stone put in the bottom of the res. That way we're keeping things oxygenated in there, and from just getting stagnant. Alright, we'll move over here and get it put together. Alright guys, we're going to be showing you how to go ahead and connect your controller and your res. This is Camilla. Camilla, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, now I need the straight one.
I didn't know it was straight.
So you'll be going with a straight 1/2 inch.
And I'm giving him the items.
Half inch tubing. We'll be going from your float valve to your top res.
And you have to use straight. That's one rule. You have to use one.
I need another, I need an elbow.
What's the elbow? You want it?
Yep.
So it's like,
You'll take a 90. Here, bottom. Your second one, guys. Have a T. And we're going to be just running 2 pots on this one. So our last one again is going to have another elbow. Okay. Then you'll take your tubing
that's kind of like this one.
and figure out what distance you need. Alright, Camilla. I'm going to need you to put your fingers on it right here. Right there. Where the green line is? Green line. Yep. Now you can add as many buckets as you want. So when you hook up your controller, this is your float valve here. So this needs to be level with where your buckets are, because this float valve here is keeping the level for all of your buckets. So whatever level it is here, it is also in the other buckets, and that's how the controller works. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Tune in, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, let us know what you want to see next, and happy growing.